In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to download apps for your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So if you're looking to install apps such as Minecraft, Spotify, Netflix, or any other applications, the process to install those apps on your Windows 11 computer is very similar as it would be on your phone using the Google Play Store on an Android phone or App Store on an iPhone. So to get started with installing and downloading apps on our Windows 11 computer, the first thing we need to do is open up the Microsoft Store. Simply head to the search bar and type in Microsoft Store. Once you open up the store, head to this section of apps. On this page, you'll see all the different apps that are available. You can view the apps by category, such as the best-selling apps, essential apps, creativity apps, and among others. At the top, you can even search for specific apps by selecting search. Let's say Minecraft. All related apps, including the official Minecraft app, will show up. Once you find the app you want to download and install, go ahead and select it. And then you just want to look for the blue bar and it should say Get. Go ahead and select Get. It will go through the process of downloading and installing the app on your computer. If you try searching for a specific app and you can't find it, what I recommend you to do is to head to your Google Chrome. On the search bar, type in the app's name. You will find download links to that exact app. And if you don't see no download links, then it might be a website, not an application. All right, guys, that's how easy it is to download apps on your Windows 11 laptop or computer. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.